And the raging snooping controversy is intensifying, and it's even raising more questions for Amit Shah. But the man in question has been consistently dodging Times Now questions. As our relentless pursuit for the story goes, we are just asking one question this morning. How is the entire episode a closed chapter? And why isn't Amit Shah clarifying if he is innocent?
This man is facing some serious charges.
What about the snooping scandal, sir?
And every attempt made by Times Now to get direct answers from him in the snooping scandal
Do you have anything to say about the snooping scandal?
failed to materialize into reality.
आपके टेपिंग के बारे में सर जो आरोप लग रहे हैं उसको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अरे भैया एक सेकंड टेपिंग के बारे में सर जो आरोप लग रहे हैं इसके ऊपर कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सर?
एक मिनट आगे बल्ली है आगे एक
कांग्रेस से ओपनली आप
आराम से अरे भैया आने मत दबाओ
As the snooping cum stalking scandal snowballs, Amit Shah's stony silence has invited a lot of wrath and criticism from the opposition.
Those who are saying we never did anything wrong should tell us that what is the national interest. They should tell us the national interest.
But his party is fighting a tough battle to divert the heat from the scandal, terming it baseless.
If they are honest enough, then they should also say that put an inquiry on who has got this tape, how they have got this tape, and how many other confidential documents of intelligence they have got.
As Amit Shah is all set to share dais with Narendra Modi today in Agra, there will be a close watch from all circuits, monitoring each and every word of the man amidst the entire snooping controversy. But the entire scandal is also witnessing yet another twist with the flip-flops of the Women Commission.
आज हमने अपने आप को विड्रॉ कर लिया है क्योंकि लड़की के पिता का पत्र हमें मिला है और इसीलिए ये केस अब NCW टेकअप नहीं करेगा.
And now the NCW reconfirming to us that they have sought for an action taken report from the Gujarat state government. At the midst of this huge controversy, the National Commission for Women drawing a lot of flack for this flip-flop.
It's not a private matter anymore. The question is, if the charges against him are indeed false, then why doesn't he come out and clarify? Bureau Report, Times Now.
And Tavleen is reporting on the story, joining us live this morning. Tavleen, really the big question everybody is asking is, how can the BJP decide for itself that the entire episode is a closed chapter? And more importantly, why isn't Amit Shah uttering an absolute word if he really thinks he is so innocent?
See, that's the question that really remains unanswered as of now, Harishi. We've seen for the last couple of days how Amit Shah has completely evaded the media time and again when, in fact, Times Now has approached him. He's just maintained his silence. But that's the question because the pressure is now building up from all quarters, whether it's the Congress or for that matter, the National Commission for Women. Because remember, now the National Commission for Women is also questioning that letter, the father's letter, saying that it was delivered by hand. We do not know the authenticity of that letter. And plus the action that NCW wants the government to take as far as the snooping scandal is concerned. For the BJP, yes, you're right. The questions are now emerging whether how they can presume that this case now needs to be shut without any probe. That's the question that the BJP needs to answer. But as far as the strategy of the BJP is concerned vis-a-vis this case, they are stating that, they have been defending Amit Shah. They have been defending what happened in 2009. And remember, today is very important because both Amit Shah as well as Narendra Modi will be on stage for Modi's rally in Agra in some time from now. And whether Narendra Modi touches upon this subject is something that we'll have to wait and see.
Right, Tavleen, in the meantime, what is the strategy of the NCW? I mean, it's the only independent body that could have actually managed to, carry out some kind of an investigation and find out answers to what exactly happened. But they've been, having their own set of flip-flops and not doing something about the case. What is their strategy now?
See, as far as the NCW is concerned, if you remember, about 48 hours ago, there was a letter that was sent from the father's side asking the NCW not to initiate any probe, that it is being talked about politically, and stated very categorically in that letter that, it is vested interest that these kind of scandals and cases are now coming out. But from the NCW side, we have heard from the chief itself, who has said that there could be, who has written to the Gujarat government and now has said that there could be a probe, but at the same time question the authenticity of the letter. You're right when you say that there has been certain kind of confusion as far as NCW is concerned on what kind of action needs to be taken, because we know for a fact that the government, the central government, Congress specifically, has been building pressure. The top ministers of the party have been talking about it and only questioning that why is Amit Shah as well as Narendra Modi silent on this particular snooping scandal, and why aren't they talking if they have nothing to hide. So we really need to wait and see what transpires today. All eyes obviously will be today at the Agra rally, when Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, both will be there on the stage. Whether they talk about this subject is something that we'll have to wait and watch.